Hi, I'm Sterling Edwards. Thank you for joining me. I will just spend a couple of minutes talking to you about my watercolor workshops. My workshops are designed to show you just a ton of really good creative watercolor techniques. Negative painting, glazing, saving whites, building rich darks, color mixing, the list goes on and on and on. But every one of these are elements, what I call elements, that are necessary to make a painting work. And then on top of that, you throw in a very good, strong composition. That's something else I teach a lot about is composition. I have seen so many beautiful paintings that really had a bad composition and it just brought the whole painting down. I want to show you how to build a strong composition that really supports and props up your painting. There's a lot of things I can show you. My workshops are designed to be very laid back. We don't have a very tight regimen where you have to do this and you have to do this. What I'm trying to teach people nowadays, especially in my later part of my career, which I'm in, I've been painting for 327 years. Okay, my wife said that's not right. I've been painting for a long time, but I've learned a lot about artists and art itself. I mean, artists are very observing people. We see things that other people don't see. And I've had a lot of people say after taking my workshops that, I'm seeing things now I never saw before. It's always been there. We've just never been trained how to see it. So once you go beyond just learning how to recognize it, then you have to learn how to paint it. Now, if you've ever seen my schedule, I paint everything from my very loose, stylized landscapes with watercolor. I do very exotic, colorful, stylized florals, which are very popular. And I also do abstract expressionism for those of you who like to really go into the far side of creativity. We have fun. My workshops are designed to be extremely informative, very fun, and you leave with a much better handle on where you're going with your art or where you want to go with your art. And I try to spend that time showing you the tools you need to make your paintings work. I hope I'll see you down the road somewhere. We have a good time. The workshops are fun, like I said. And if you're ready to just really get outside your comfort zone and try something different, how to paint with big brushes, maybe more creative color mixing. The list goes on and on. Give me a shot. I think you'll enjoy it. We always have fun. I look forward to seeing you. Goodbye.